before, when I didn't have this and I didn't have my Devastator that I love, I've been begging for Devastator for like forever. It's been like a million years I've begging for him. And I've only begged for this guy. Like Devastator, he was worth the wait, but it took a long time.
Did you wish for a Trypticon?
Yeah, but I wished for Devastator. He came. So, like, we did something. We were playing Transformers. And, like, we were pretending that Devastator was under, like, a little thing, and they were working on him. And then Daddy snuck Devastator in there. And he was actually in there. And I was just so happy. But this guy, I begged for him way less. So, I got this guy faster than Devastator. My wishes... Man, the Wisher Man gave me this. Man, the Wisher Man gave me this quick. He answered my wish quick.
Wisher Man, who is that?
No, this is someone I will believe in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's my religion.
Okay.
What?
No, that's cool.
What?
That's cool.
Before when I started to believe in him, my first time believing in him, he was like...
Is it like Santa Claus or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's someone else. He's like a magical spirit who delivers kids what they really, really want.
Okay, sounds like Santa Claus to me. I don't know.
He doesn't show up like Santa Claus to kids and ask them what they want. He just listens. He doesn't watch anybody. He just listens. He hears everybody's wishes. And I just made that stuff up right now.
Sounds like it.
Yep. So that's my religion, guys, and I hope you respect it. Well, not saying that you have to believe in it. I'm just saying I hope you don't. Ooh! Here's a collector's card?
Wow.
Whoa! Look at those giant obstructions in that cool collector's card. So cool, right guys? I know that's a yes.
Which way are we going here? Oh, we gotta do like this. Let's go this way. Before he falls out. Right? Yeah, this way. Now full.
Ooh, yeah, baby!
Holy crapola.
And you know what's the similarity to Trypticon and Devastator? They're both giant. They both turn into two little shelter thingies. I don't know what it's called. Like cities, Autobot cities,
Fortresses.
miniature
Yeah,
ones.
they're like battle stations or fortresses.
But this guy, I don't know why I wanted this guy. Probably because he's a T-Rex, and I love T-Rexes. And I have a T-Rex named Rexy, which is my best friend. He's actually a toy. Please don't make fun of him. Please.
Never, ever make fun.
So, yeah. Because then, not saying that I'll be mean to you guys back. I'm just saying, please don't say that, and that really offends me. So please just be nice. I'm a kid, okay? I'm not telling you my age. I don't want you guys to hunt me down. I know there's a lot of weirdos on you.
You know, those straps.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hard. Almost done, guys. We only have 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, now I have just 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 more left, guys. Now 2. Aw, come on, go. I didn't know his legs wouldn't be on him. That's a surprise.
Mm-hmm.
That's his leg and that's his arm. This guy is stinking awesome. Woohoo!
Wow.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Yeah.
Or cameraman. Okay, Dad. Oh, get this Decepticon out.
No? Is he strapped in?
Yeah, strapped in on this side.
Uh-huh. I see that.
Yep. Let him get out. And I think he can transform too. That's cool. So Hot Rod's in this.
Hot Rod is, well...
Yeah, he's on the...
It's on the box,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, he's on the box. Can I get it out?
What am I missing here?
I don't know.
Does it come off of that base? You might want to check the instructions on that one. Instructions are right there.
Gotta open them up, guys. Oh, this is some holes. I can just go through those holes. Nah, that might.
So, just like, it looks just like Fortress Maximus, there's decals to put on. What I'm seeing there.
There is? Where?
In that bag you're holding. A lot of decals.
That's more than Fortress Maximus, I feel like.
Yeah. I don't think we're going to do decals in the video necessarily. We can just do like a before and after, right?
Well, just try at least.
I wouldn't. It takes a long time to do those.
I want to try.
Well, you want to get him into his mode first. Get his legs put on, I guess.
Oh.
It's huge.
Yeah.
So what did you find out about that car? Does he come off? I would assume he does.
Yes. The instructions are probably going to be hard. Wait. How much stickers are there?
Oh, that whole sheet?
I don't know how much they are, but let's just try. Let's try. Ooh!
Oh, you're gonna do them right now?
I know there's a sticker right here somewhere.
But what about that vehicle? Does it come off?
Yes, I know. I feel like. Because I think I've seen this in other videos with this off. Looks like it has that little ball joint thing on it. Man, I need help. Can I have help, Mr. Dad? Come on, get him out. Get him out. Come on, you got this, Dad. Oh, whoever you are.
Let me see the instructions.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. Oh, we gotta get to connect this one. Look how strong he is, guys. That muscle one with the muscle.
Wow.
How is he that fast? How is he full speed? How is he all the way up to the bar?
You think
Why is he that fast? He's so giant. Okay.
interesting.
Oh, look how smart he is, guys. Oh. Well, a lot of these are probably because he's giant, but he's not that smart. Oh, just a little bit though. Come on, Daddy, get him out. You got this. You got this. Yeah, I'm gonna transform him in front of you guys. Show you.
cool. There is Trypticon in his Dino mode. At some point we'll have him in the completed fortress mode. Right now we're going to focus on decals, getting that decal up. We'll let you see that in another episode. We're going to sign out for right now.
And you'll be watching this on the Dapper Supreme. Bye.